Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. So today I am going to demonstrate you how to use Pygen to generate a simple Python package. So for that, we need to first install our Pygen system. So currently I am using GitHub Codespace. So first you need to just clone the repository with this command. So here you will just paste the command and the repository will be cloned here. Then we need to move to the Python directory. After we have cloned the repository and moved to the Python directory, we can now set up a virtual environment. So our virtual environment has been activated. Now we can install all the required libraries. For that, we need to just copy this command and paste it here and run it. So we need basically Streamlit, Google Generative AI, and Grok, and lots of other record libraries in order to launch our Python app. So after all these libraries are installed, we can launch our Python app, and through that app, we can generate our required package. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to install all the libraries that is required. So it is already has been installed. Now all the libraries are already installed. Now we'll just run the app. Sorry, it will be Streamlit. Run. Now the Python system is hosted by our local host. The app is now loading. So once the app is loaded, we need to just give it all the instruction that is required. So this is the interface of the Python system. So here we can use the Grok API provider. We can also use Google AI Studio, but Google AI Studio has a slower inference time. So currently I am demonstrating it through the Grok API provider. In order to use the Grok API, you need to first generate the Grok API key to the Grok console. So I have already generated my API key. We'll just copy this API key and paste it here. We'll choose a model. You can choose any model that it has been available in the Grok platform. So you can choose any of the Llama models, any of the Gemma models, and also the Mixtral models. So in order to generate package, first you need to give the name of the package. So today we are going to generate a package that PS data visualization. So first we will put the package name as visual graph and then give a description of that package. So this package just create a interactive, insightful, aesthetically pleasing visual representation of data. So it can also simplify data analysis and uh, uh, create a narrative for both the technical and non-technical audience. So we will just paste it here, and then we'll just give the feature we need to integrate in the Python package. And now we'll just press this button, generate package. Package will be generated. It will take almost 3 to 5 minutes of time to generate a package. which is mostly based on how many features you are giving and how complex is your description. If your description is too long and if you have a lot of features, then it might take more than 5 minutes. So the package is already generating. So the package has already been successfully generated. So now the documentation about this package is also generating. The documentation is also already generated. And now you can just download this package and documentation using this download package file. Now the package has been downloaded. So you can now see this package through cursor. So basically what we did is that we have taken the simple description from the user and enhance it with our prompt enhancer and then pass it to the grok model. Then the grok model created a Python package structure and generated the code. And then another model based on that code put all the code into the required package structure. Once the package structure has been filled with the generated code, then we have received the output and we have downloaded the output. Now we can visualize how good our output is. We have actually used three types of metrics to evaluate the generated output. One is human evaluation, and another is LLM evaluation, and another is code blue. So code blue is a metric that actually review the code and calculate a score based on the generated code and a reference code, and then it will score that generated code, how efficiently it has mimicked the reference. I think there is a problem. No. Yes, I'm staying in the call. So if we open the folder, we see, where is it actually? Oh, this is downloaded as zip file. So we need to unzip it first. Then we can use it in the cursor. Why? Okay, I've downloaded it in another directory. Where did I download it? Let me see. So you can see all the packages that we have generated. So we can just extract this, and my machine has been possessed. There are 21 items generated in this package. So it is completely a package. We can actually deploy it in the PyPy store. We have already generated 4 more packages. One is AutoML, one is AutoVision, AutoSpeech, and another one is about quantum error correction. You can see the examples in the GitHub repository. And we have also given all the prompt we have used to generate those packages, and also all the evaluation strategies we have followed are mentioned in the paper. You can also evaluate your generated code with the reference code according the way we have mentioned in our paper. So you can see all the codes are here. This is the package we have generated right now using Python. So there are this is the main file, and this is a test case, and also the setup.py file. Now we can try to see what it has generated here. So familiar. Yes. Okay, we have used Llama 70B model, which is not that much of a good coder. But if we can use a better model, the generated code will be better. Basically, in our experiment, we have used DeepSeek coder and also Claude 3.5 Sonnet. But I currently have no API left for Claude, so I cannot use it. So I've used the open source version. So you can see the codes are moderately okay. So if you can use a better model, the generated code will be even better. And you can also integrate some kind of component as a code reviewer and code interpreter to overall enhance the ability of Python. So we are going to work on that too, and we will in future we have an idea about how to design Python based on the complete agentic workflow. So for now, this is our generated package. So you can try out by yourself. I hope that this tutorial helps. So thank you all. Have a nice day.